how to change email on Oculus Quest 2 app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your email address on Oculus Quest 2 app. So for that, just open your Oculus Quest 2 in your mobile, and after that on the home screen in the bottom section you will see this option called menu. So just tap on it, and here in the menu screen you will have all these options. So you just have to click on settings in order to change your email address, and after that just go to the account settings from the top, and here under the meta and account centers you will see the option called personal details. Just tap on it again, and now from the account settings just go to personal details, and here on this page you have your personal details like your contact info, your date of birth, and the account ownership and control management in this page. So all you have to do is just click on contact info from the top, and here you will have your email address linked to your Oculus Quest account. So in order to change that, you just have to tap on the email address that you want to change, for example this one, and now you can simply click on delete email, and you can delete this particular email address from here, and you can also add the new one from this page itself while just clicking on add another account. So this way you will be able to change your email address on Oculus Quest 2 app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.